Hello everyone. Welcome to Arise and Shine. Today, we're diving into genuine and realistic ways to make money. Let's get started. First up, freelancing. Use your skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing to offer services online. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to find clients. Start by building a strong profile and delivering quality work. 2. Online courses and tutoring. Online courses and tutoring. If you're an expert in a subject, create an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. You can also offer tutoring services via websites like tutor.com or VIPKid. Share your knowledge and get paid for it. 3. Selling products online. Another great way is selling products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or drop shipping products, platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify can help you reach customers worldwide. Start small and scale up as you grow. 4. Investing. Investing is a powerful way to build wealth over time. Educate yourself on the basics of stock market investing, real estate, or even peer-to-peer lending. Remember, start with what you can afford to lose and grow your portfolio gradually. 5. Part-time gigs and side hustles. Part-time gigs and side hustles are perfect for making extra cash. Drive for Uber or Lyft, deliver food with DoorDash or Postmates, or pick up odd jobs on TaskRabbit. These flexible options can fit around your schedule and boost your income. 6. Content creation. Content creation is booming. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast about something you're passionate about. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Consistency and quality content are key. There you have it, genuine and realistic ways to make money. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motivational tips and tricks. See you next time on Arise and Shine.